like cooking. I find it like therapeutic. When I make pizza, I do some like pizza math because there's a science behind it. I went to UBC for my bachelor's in electrical engineering. I specialize in power systems. I knew Stantec from more the building side. At the time, distribution was very small. I think it was maybe 3 people or something. They were looking for experienced people, and I kind of fit the bill. I started as EIT, then became a team lead, and now I'm the technical program manager who oversees the team leads. Most of the people in this office report to me for distribution, either as a team lead capacity or just directly. So I help with not only the resourcing for the department, but the technical knowledge gathering, training, and the quality. That's very important, and just project execution. We have programs, end-of-life programs, and then we also have system improvement projects. Some of the programs that are like maintenance programs, we have the pole replacement program is one of our bigger ones. We have the underground residential distribution program. One of the projects was FIFA's coming in, and they're doing a Robson Plaza, and we were going to install some new duct banks and manholes. Being at Stantec actually helped the project because not only were we working on the distribution side for BC Hydro, but Stantec, the company, we had people working for the city on the plaza design. We had to put in like a duct bank that was a little bit deeper because of the landscape design. So it was a lot of collaboration to get that installed and in time before the city started their plaza design. That was a pretty good achievement, I think. I've been told I'm a pretty good cook. I like to experiment. I like making pizza. So I've done like the calculations just to like, this is how much flour I have. Especially when I do bigger batches. It's not too difficult, the math. It's just some easy like percentages kind of thing. But it's necessary to get that like hydration that you want. It's pretty fun, and then the end product, you'll know when it's like the dough is like more airy, nice airy and crispy crust. That's kind of a sign of a good pizza, in my opinion. I'm Nahid. I'm the technical program manager for distribution here at Stantec.